Unbox with me. Stick notes. Oh, I thought they were called sticky notes. Never mind. Made in China. Some ASMR. And let's open it. Where is its end? I can't find it. Look. The total 4 colors. And my hand is shaking, but I don't know why.